This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Duplicate the background layer so you never edit the original and zoom to the watermark. Once done, evaluate whether it's high contrast, semi-transparent, or textured. This decides the tool. If edges are soft, choose spot healing. For repeating texture, use clone stamp. For larger shapes, use the patch tool. Make a new blank layer for non-destructive cloning, and set sample to current and below so you can paint without altering the duplicated background. Now you'll remove the mark. Start with spot healing on a new layer, use content aware, tap small strokes to preserve texture. If the watermark spans a larger area, make a selection and drag the patch tool from the blemish to a clean source. Blend with feathered edges. For precise control on patterns or text, switch to clone stamp, sample at 100% hardness match to the area, and slowly build up pixels. Make frequent new samples to avoid repeating patterns and obvious clones. To finish, fine-tune color and texture. If soft blur or color mismatch appears, use frequency separation to independently fix texture versus color. This preserves natural grain. Then apply subtle healing on a merged visible layer and use low opacity dodge and burn to restore highlights and shadows. If artifacts or repeating tiles show up, reduce clone stamp opacity, resample from different areas, and slightly warp or blur to break repetition. One tip: toggle the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.